16 นาฬิกามืดเลยนะบ่าย4 โมงบ้านถ้าเป็นเนื้อก็บ่าย4 โมงไม่รู้ว่าที่เมืองไทยลงเราเท่าไหร่แล้วเพิ่งเลิกงานนะคะกำลังจะกลับบ้านนะวันนี้เป็นวันฮาโลวีนเดี๋ยวจะพาเด็กๆไปทำคอนเทนต์Tesla จับสัญญาณนะคะเดี๋ยววันนี้นะเดี๋ยวเราจะไปพิสูจน์กันนะคะ
But we still not see the cars from the other side. So it was not only with the other car. So you only see this here, and you see. But here you see all the signs on both sides. Okay, so we go to this. Cemetery where many of the young people but you cannot go in further. You can go. If you not find here, then you really not find. I don't know if you can. Now you are in the no.
But I see too many cars from Serbia.
You hear the sound?
Yeah, I heard that.
That was a strange sound.
That was a very strange sound.
And it's something stranger. You see on the side here?
Yeah. It's
You
like
can feel
curving
it.
so much.
Yeah, it's not have. So when it's come like a red or something, that is like a hinder.
Like really close, right?
Yeah, but you see here, normal we never get. This is strange. Actually, look.
Yeah.
The other one, the straight one, is normal.
Oh yeah.
No, that one is. This is not straight. Huh? Yeah. Camera front also? Maybe there. Maybe you will see. Now you have the camera on everywhere.
What's the sound?
Yeah, it's coming same place, huh?
Yeah.
The other one, it was where it was there, it was
Really curvy.
on the street. Now it's not come the thing that coming there. That is strange. It's coming little bit somewhere, but you will be scared to walk around here.
Yes, for sure.
I told you this story, huh, when I walk around.
And you found it